Collective nouns for groups. A group of friends, a circle. A group of robbers, a gang. A group of artists, a troupe. A group of workers, a union. A group of musicians, a band. A group of pictures, a gallery. A group of listeners, an assembly. A group of soldiers, a regiment. A group of sailors, a crew. A group of players, a team. A group of directors, a board. Other ways to say, I don't remember. First, I'm not sure. Second, it slips my mind. Third, I can't recall. Four, it's on the tip of my tongue. Five, I have no recollection. Six, I can't bring it to mind. Seven, it's hazy. 8. I have forgotten. 9. I'm drawing a blank. 10th. It escapes me. Other ways to say I'm fine. I'm great. Doing really well. Couldn't be better. Can't complain. Never better. Over the moon. Not too shabby. Other ways to say you're welcome. It's my pleasure. Don't mention it. You got it. Not at all. Anytime. No worries. I'm happy to help. 7 smart ways to say I have no idea. I couldn't say. I've never given it much thought. I really don't know what to say. I really can't say. You're asking the wrong person. It doesn't affect me either way. It doesn't make any difference to me. 8 alternatives to say it's boring. I dislike it. That's not for me. It's dull. It's not my cup of tea. I was dying of boredom. It's like watching grass grow. It bores me to tears. Other ways to say I love you. I'm crazy about you. I'm in love with you. You're my everything. You're all I see. I lost my heart on you. I'm all about you. I've fallen for you. Other ways to say it's amazing. It's incredible. This is fantastic. I'm blown away. It's mind-blowing. This is unbelievable. Other ways to say I'm nervous. I'm anxious. I'm on edge. I have butterflies. I'm jittery. I'm feeling uneasy. Other ways to say I'm busy. I have a lot on my plate. I'm tied up right now. I'm swamped. I'm occupied. I'm caught up with work. Other ways to say it's okay. No worries. It's all good. Everything's fine. It's all right. Don't worry about it. Other ways to say I can't believe it. I'm in shock. This is unbelievable. I'm speechless. I never saw this coming. This is crazy. Other ways to say what do you think? What's your opinion? How do you feel about it? What are your thoughts? What's your take? How do you see it? Other ways to say I'm excited. I can't wait. I'm pumped. I'm so stoked. I'm thrilled. I'm really looking forward to it. Other ways to say I don't mind. It's fine with me. I'm okay with it. I'm cool with that. I have no problem with that. I'm good either way. Other ways to say, I will pay. It's on me. I'll buy it. It's my treat. Let me get this. I'll pick up the bill. I got this. This is on me. Other ways to say, start doing it. Start doing it. Give it a try. Go for it. What are you waiting for? What do you have to lose? It's worth a shot. This first step is always the hardest. Other ways to say, it's difficult. It's difficult. It's a bit tricky. It's challenging. It isn't a walk in the park. It's quite hard going. It's daunting. It's tough. It seems arduous. Other ways to say goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. Bye for now. Be seeing you. I'm off. Catch you later. Cheerio. Good night. Other ways to say don't care. Never mind. Doesn't matter. Couldn't care less. Let things slide. Not to care a dime. Have no regard for. Pay no attention. Let things go. Be uninterested. Respected friends, save this post. Love this post. Share with as many people as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit YouTube channel IELTS TOEFL English Teacher. May God bless all of you. Amen.